Also for Circuit Court Division 9, Judge Andy Gill.
Good afternoon. Thanks for everybody for coming. I am Judge Andy Gill. I'm a district judge, and I've been a district judge for the last 7 years. I'm also a graduate of the Bowen School. I went here at night, graduated in 2005. I'm going to skip over some of the bullet points that I often go over just about my legal experience. A lot of those are on the push cards that are available outside. And I'm going to talk about a few things that kind of formed my approach on the bench. As a kid, I lived in a place called Community Group. So my parents were house parents for a group of disabled young adults. And that was my first home, really. So I remember having conversations with my parents about why some kids didn't want to come to our house, or why we got looks sometimes when we went places in public. From there, I spent my formative years on Heifer Project, and that's out in Perry County. That's why I grew up there. So there, I became acutely aware of poverty, both internationally and locally, and how that affects opportunities. After college, I went to Lyon College up in Batesville. I was a philosophy major. After college, I went to work for Counseling Associates. Became a case manager. I worked with mentally ill adults transitioning back into the community. I answered a suicide hotline. I worked with kids in the schools. Those things have formed my approach on the bench. I treat everybody that comes into my courtroom with respect. I treat everyone the same. I make sure that everybody is heard and that they feel heard when they leave my court. I'll talk a little bit more about my legal experience when we answer the questions later. I would appreciate your vote on March the 3rd. Again, my name is Judge Andy Gill.